So I'm Adam Hansen, founder and president of Hansen Company Woodworks, and we are at HCO 2.0. Super excited to be here. And we started the building in June, and we are in January right now. So we're about 7-8 months into the build. We'll get the building inside of the building in about 45 days. Our first equipment actually starts showing up. It'll leave Europe and Italy in about 2 weeks. So we'll start seeing that about the first part of May, which is just in time, first part of March, which is just in time for when the building will be ready for us. So down on the north side of the building is where the first equipment will be coming in, and all of our raw goods will come in that overhead door and the loading dock. And we'll walk down here and get a little more picture of the space. All of our raw goods, all our paneled goods and everything will be coming in through those two doors right there. And our wind store, which is the storage retrieval, panel storage retrieval system, will be roughly in the size of those two bays. So about 100 feet by 50 feet. We'll get about 6,000 panels we'll be able to get inside of there. And then it'll turn into the rovers will be next with the Automatech robots. And by the time we get to about where the office begins, there is where we'll see our full edge bander loop. And then just past the office will be where the biblions are from Bocce. Parts come in, we'll go all the way through, and they'll go all the way out then through our loading docks. We have 4 loading docks on the south side of the building, which all of our completed cabinets will then go out. So the total square footage of the building is around 92,000 feet, of which about 6,000 is office space. And then also like the office space too, you'll see lots of big windows. So we'll be able to bring a lot of tours through. Big part of this is for our industry and try to bring automation to our industry. So we want to bring people through, show them what we really can do here with automation for woodworking. And we bring a lot of students through too as well. So they can see it and get a big kind of overall big picture from the top looking at it. So we're about 45 days from getting the building, and about 60, 70 days for our first machines show up. So this is our space as of now.